Hello everybody and welcome to this new episode of our projects Restaurant Management System using Laravel. So in the last episode we have finished with sales parts. In this one we are going to start our last part, which is the reports part. So we will first of thing we will generate reports, and next we will export this reports to Excel. To export the reports into Excel, we are going to use a package called Laravel Access. So first of thing, you need to install this package using Composer. So the package is auto discovered, so you don't need to use this to add the classes into the providers and aliases, but if you want you can do that. Next, if you want to publish the package, you can publish the configuration package, but for now we don't need it. So we are going to go next. You go to the exports, this one, and you check for from view. So we are going to use the view to export the file into, or the reports into Excel. So what we need to do, I think that we have to go to this one, to the quick start. First we are going to run this command, and this command will generate a file that we can name it. We will name it, so okay, I will name it sales export, and here the model is sales, so we give it the model and we give it a name. If we go to the, let's remove this one. If we go to the HTTP folder, we will have here not HTTP, but to the app folder, we will have here a folder called exports, and here we have this one, this class. For this class we will use it to export the reports or the data to Excel. So we will go back to this page soon. Now we need to add a new controller. The controller will be, first of thing, we need to display reports, and then we will move to the exports, to exporting reports. So first thing, we need to add a controller. Let's call this one reports controller. This controller will have some functions. We will add them now. First one is, to access this controller we need to be authenticated. So first thing, we will use middleware, which is the auth middleware. So this one we used auth middleware. Next we will add a function index. This function index, it will take us function, public function public function index. This one will take us to the report index page. This page we will return just view, and view will be located inside the reports folder, and view is the index, this index page. Inside this index page we will only display the form that we will use to select two dates, the dates from and to. These two dates we will use them to generate reports. And we have another one, which is a function. We will call it I think show, and this function, it will use the requests to get the requests, and the request that we are going to get from the form will have two fields. The first one is from date, and next one is, the first one is from, which is start date, or the date starts, and next one is to, and two fields are required. the date from and the date to. Next we will add a variable called start dates, and we will convert the dates that we will get to the dates that uses Laravel like this, because Laravel created the orders will be the date, the creates at orders date format will be like this. We have the year, the month, the day, and the time. So we have the each, I, and S. So I don't know why this VS Code is hiding this. Okay, and we will start to, and we will convert the dates, the request dates that we get, the request from dates, we will convert it, as I said, to Laravel dates. So we will use this, we will concatenate this, the dates coming with this one. So the dates that do date from, or the from dates, will start from the 0 or the 12 or the midnight, we can call it midnight, and the end dates, from where we will get orders. The end date will be the next dates, but before midnight. So we will use request to, and we will change this one to 23, 59 and 59. So next day. So we will get the reports from midnight to the next day, but before midnight. Next we will get the sales, as I said, sales, and we use the model which is sale. So let's bring this model, and where we use where between, because we are looking through two dates, updated at, so we are going to use updated at, not created at, and we give the dates, which is the start dates and the end dates. Now that we have the two dates, no, I forgot to add, I have also another check, which is the where, and I will get only the orders that the payment status is paid. So we don't get the unpaid orders, just paid orders. Okay, once we get these orders, we will return a view, and this view will be in the same one that we have before, will be in the reports, and it is index page, and we give it start dates. We will use this start dates, we will display start dates, and the end dates, it will be the end dates, and also what else we have here, we have also the total. We will display the total of our orders, and the total we will use the sale and sales and function sum to sum all the totals. We will sum all the totals, and also we will bring sales, and sales, as we can see, we will use sales and gets. So this is our second function, the last one. I think that I have closing curly braces here, so let's see what's, I think that's the curly braces is not the curly braces, but I think that something is missing here, or just, so I don't know what is missing, why this syntax error here. I think that's, now it's okay. there was a line, a red line, but now it's okay. So this is the second function. The third function is the function to generate public function to generate the sales to generate sales. It will export all the sales into the Excel file. So here we will return, and we will use the class which is Excel. We will bring it, and we call the function which is download, and we use the class that we have already added, which is the sales export, and we give it the requests from the dates, starting dates and ending dates. We using a request from and request to. So let me see here what we have imported. So we have the sales export exports, and here we have the facades Excel. So don't forget to import these lines. Okay, let's move to the sales export, this final function here. As we have said before, we are going to use the form method. So we will first add a private field. This one will be 2. We'll take 2 dates, and second one will take from dates, and the third one will take private, will take sales, and the third and final one will have total, because when we export data to Excel, we will display also the total and sales. So here we make them sales, and here inside, so we will add a constructor, because we are sending, as we have seen, start and add date. So we will use constructor to bring, as I said, the date from and the date to. So here we will give this to, we will give it the date to, and this from, we will give it from dates, and the sales, for sales we will use the sale model to bring, as we have done here, we can copy this one, and I will make it here. I will just remove this line. So we will bring the dates from and to, using the 2 dates, and we get sales of the given dates. Now I have sales, but I need also the total. So the total is the same as we have here. So I will add it here. So let's move down. So here we put this total, and we give it the total. So this is sum of the total. So I think this is all. I think that's this total. But I need to use this sale, not sale, but this sale, because we are using sales. This sales, and we sum total. Okay. So next we go to the second function. As I said, we are going to use the from view. So this one, I am going to copy these lines and put them here. So view. So for this view, it will take us to another file that we are going to use. So don't forget to bring the view. I think that's the view, it will be in the facade. So I think that's, so let me check here. Where is the view and form view? Don't forget to bring these two lines. I will use them, I will put them in the top of the page. And here also we need to implement the, I think it needs to implement the form view. From view, I misspelled, not form view, but the from view. This one, this class, we need to this interface, we need to implement it. And here we have, as I said, we will add a file called export inside the report. Inside the reports fields, inside the reports folder, and this, and we will send the total, and total will be this total. Also we will send, so here I have a typo here, so we have total, so I need 4 fields. We have total, we have sales, also we bring it from sales. We have start dates, and we bring it from true. Or you can call it true, not true, but from here, from, and here true, and dates it will be true. So this is the second function that we will use. So I think that this is all for the exporting, but we will inside this file, inside the export file, we will use a table like this. This is the table that it will take its sales, and we will loop through its sales using for each and show the sales inside the table. And we will, as we have done already, I think that I forgot to add name of the file here inside this function. I just noticed it, so let's add. So here I think that's new exports, and we give name here, name of the file, Excel file, so sales XL is SX. So I think this is all for this first video of this section. Next one, we will move to the report. We will add a reports page or reports folder inside our resources view, and we will see how to display. So here we will add a reports folder. We don't have a reports folder. We will add the index page to display the form to get the reports, and also we will add exports file, which will make us export the reports to Excel. So don't forget to subscribe if this is the first time you are watching this. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and see you in the next episode.